Hey y'all, it's Amanda and this is my Texas Zone 8 garden, and before we dive in, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this on your Facebook page or with a gardening friend or things along those lines. Okay, this video is a continuance of my touring Green Acres Nursery in Melissa, Texas, and we are going to be checking out all of their fall planted bulbs. Okay, let's take a look at the fall planted bulbs. So these are bulbs you plant in the fall and then they will come up in the spring. And depending on the variety and such that you've got, some of them will come back for us and some of them won't in this area. Typically tulips don't come back very consistently here because we don't have enough days of cold weather. However, there are some specific varieties of tulips that do a little bit better, like these Darwin hybrids. These come back more regularly than others from year to year. But there's a wide variety of stuff here, so let's go ahead and work our way through. So it looks like most of the tulips are $8.50 for 7 bulbs, which I do think is a little bit pricey. These are good size bulbs. Remember, whenever you're buying bulbs, you need to check, squeeze, make sure nothing's soft, smells bad, anything like that. It's very important. So we've got the double late tulips, double Dutch mixture. And these are hardy zones 2 through 8, and they're about 16 to 18 inches tall. It's a nice mix of doubles. It's really pretty. Next is Triumph tulips. And these are hardy zones 2 through 8, and they are 18 to 20 inches tall. Some nice healthy looking bulbs. Single late tulips, Queen of Night. Oh, okay. All right. I messed up. So that was double Dutch mixture. This is Helmar. This is Queen of Night. And I've planted Queen of Night before and not had any success with it. Zones 2 through 8, 22 to 24 inches tall. Some parrot tulips, which are a variety of flaming parrot. So this kind of really ruffly, unique look. Hardy zones 2 through 8, height 18 to 22 inches. All right, I think I'm going to go through, everything's mixed up. No, I'm just going to go row. I was thinking I'll go do all the tulips first. Okay, next is Daffodils or Narcissus. This one is called Pink Charm, so it has the pink around the cup. It's just pretty. And these are beautiful, good sized bulbs. So Pink Charm. And these are hardy zones 2 through 10, and they're 14 to 16 inches tall. These tulips are called Double Surprise. These are $9.50. Oh, and these Narcissus were $9.50 each. These are $9.50, and these look like peonies. Hardy zones 2 through 8, 14 to 16 inches tall. Next is Kansas Proud. Ooh, just knocked the whole thing over. It's a pretty color. Hardy zones 2 through 8, height 18 to 20 inches tall. Next is Tete Boucle. So these are smaller, shorter ones, which I love. So it's $6.50 for 7 bulbs. Those are super sweet. These are hardy zones 2 through 10, height at only 10 to 12 inches tall. Now here's some of your paperweights, so you can go ahead and pick these up and start being prepared for this for the winter if you want, but these can also be planted outside. This is Narcissus in bowl, which I'm not familiar with that variety. Typically I see the Ziva. These are much shorter, so these are hardy zones 9 through 11, height 14 to 18 inches tall, which is a little shorter than the Ziva. The Ziva has a really strong fragrance, but I'm not familiar if these have a strong fragrance or not. This one is called Original Poet's Daffodil. Those almost don't look real. Fascinating. And these are 7 for $7.50. And hardy zones 2 through 10, height 14 to 16 inches tall. These are cool. Here's a value pack of double late mixture tulips. and you get 16 bulbs for $16.50. Their bulbs have definitely not been picked over. Hardy zones 2 through 8, height 16 to 18 inches tall. That's a beautiful mix. Okay, next is a daffodil narcissus called Mount Hood, which I've planted before, and they are lovely, strong, beautiful daffodils. And this is a value pack of them, 16 bulbs for $14.50. Hardy zones 2 through 10, height 14 to 16 inches tall. And look at the size of those bulbs, y'all. Really, really pretty. This one's called Tulip Oreo Blend. It's like a dark purplish black and a white. 12 bulbs for $13.50. Hardy zones 2 through 8, height 12 to 22 inches. That's a massive difference, so one must be significantly shorter than the other. Here's a blend of daffodils. So you get 14 bulbs for $13.50. Narcissus double blend, so all of them have the double in the center. Hardy zones 2 through 10, height 14 to 16 inches tall. Okay, this whole thing is a value pack of single late mixture tulips. You get 16 bulbs for $16. Nice healthy bulbs. These are Hardy zones 2 through 8, height 22 to 28 inches tall. Alright, let's move this way. I'm literally sitting on the floor, y'all. So we have a Wild About Allium blend, 8 bulbs for $13.50. Oh yeah, that's quite the blend. You can see the difference in bulb size. It's nice firm bulbs. Hardy zones 4 through 10, height 24 to 36 inches tall. It's pretty. I've got some gladiator alliums that I'm going to plant on among my snapdragons in one of my beds. This is Tulip Royal Prince Blend, 12 bulbs for $13.50. Hardy zones 2 through 8, height 12 to 14 inches, so definitely shorter variety. It's another Darwin hybrid tulips, the Van Eyck. These do better in our area. They might come back for a couple of years. Those are pretty. Hardy zones 2 through 8, 18 to 20 inches tall. Nice bulbs. Up here is another split corona. This is called Orangery. I like that trumpet in the middle. And this is 7 bulbs for $9.50. Hardy zones 2 through 10, height 14 to 16 inches tall. Those are pretty, different looking. Next is crocus, and I've never planted them in my area, so if any of y'all have in the North Texas area, let me know. It's 15 bulbs for $7.50, and this is a variety mix of large flowering mixture. These are Hardy zones 3 through 9, and their height is only 4 to 6 inches tall. Cool. Next is a Persian lily, so it's 1 bulb for $8. That's one big bulb right there. This one's called Fritillaria persica. I like the color. Hardy zones 3 through 9 and 28 to 32 inches tall. I would love to grow something like this, but I mean, $8 a bulb. It's really pretty though. Deer-resistant tulips, a wildflower mixture of tulips, 15 bulbs for $7.50. These are way tiny. Very small, much smaller bulbs. Hardy zones 2 through 10, and their height is only 4 to 6 inches tall, which that explains why they're so small. All right, next we have more tulips. This is called Carnival de Rio. 7 bulbs for $7.50. Hardy in zones 2 through 8, height 18 to 24 inches tall. Next we have some grape hyacinth. I planted these a few years ago and I'll never plant them again. I did not like their foliage at all. It looked stringy and messy and a hot mess. So I was not a fan. So you get 20 bulbs for $6.50. I wouldn't mind planting these in like a container. Maybe that's how I need to approach it. Plant them all in a container and let them come up. Maybe I would like that. So grape hyacinth, hardy zones 3 through 9, height 6 to 8 inches tall. Not this year though. Regular hyacinths, I have struggled to grow them for years. They have to go through a cold process and it just hasn't been my bag. So you get 5 bulbs for $7. This one is called Blue Jacket. And I love hyacinth. I wish I could grow them better. Hardy zones 2 through 10, height 10 to 12 inches tall. And look at these bulbs. I mean, I wonder if y'all can see, they're like iridescent. So pretty. Love them. This next variety is called Jan Boss or Bose. I think Boss. Let's take this whole thing down. 5 bulbs for $7. Hardy zones 2 through 10, height 10 to 12 inches tall. So again, beautiful bulbs that are like iridescent. Okay, I'm just going to keep going down low so I only have to stand up one time. This is a bunch of seed garlic, elephant garlic, and California soft neck seed garlic. And I planted garlic and had a really good time with it. $9.50 seems like a lot for seed garlic. There's probably a dozen bulbs in here though that you can plant. Hardy zones 3 through 9, height 36 to 48 inches tall. And then the soft neck garlic, California, you get 6 bulbs for $7.50. Hardy zones 3 through 9, height 14 to 16 inches tall. I mean, I could do a whole bed of this. I don't know, maybe. I don't know if this is what I want. Those of y'all who know a lot about garlic and you grow in the North Texas area, tell me what kind of garlic I would need. This is gladiator bulbs, allium bulbs, and I already purchased some of these from Costco and I will be planting these in my garden. And you get 2 bulbs for $8.50. I love them, they're so fun. Hardy zones 4 through 10, height 32 to 36 inches tall. These are good sized bulbs. And then this is a value pack. You get 4 bulbs for $14.50. And they're also good sized bulbs. All right. Tete, Daffodils, Narcissus, which I love. 7 bulbs for $6.50. They're shorter, smaller, very cute. Hardy zones 2 through 10. Their height is only about 6 to 8 inches tall. Next is crocus, and this one's called Orange Monarch, which I've never seen an orange before. So this is 10 bulbs for $7.50. Hardy zones 3 through 9, height 3 to 4 inches. So these are super tiny. This is Crocus Blue Moon Mixture, 15 bulbs for $7.50. Hardy zones 3 through 9, height 4 to 6 inches tall. Next is Giant Crocus, Colchicum Giants, 1 bulb for $6. And this bulb's ready to go. Hardy zones 4 through 10, height 6 to 8 inches tall. All right, coming back here for more Narcissus or Daffodils. This is Dutch Master, which I actually purchased as well from Costco and will be adding in this year. You get 16 bulbs for $13.50. Big bulbs, big healthy bulbs. Hardy zones 2 through 10, height 14 to 16 inches tall. Also Dutch Master. This one is Rheinveld's Early Sensation. Daffodil, you get 7 bulbs for $6.50. So pretty. Hardy zones 2 through 10, height 14 to 16 inches tall. Nice, beautiful bulbs. We'll go up. So this is Darwin Hybrid, just a little bit better in this area. Beauty of Appledorn. Those are lovely. Love the color. 7 bulbs for $7.50. These are all Netherland Bulb Company, by the way. Hardy is zone 2 through 8, height 20 to 22 inches tall. Next is a double yellow pomponette. Those are pretty. 7 bulbs for $7.50. Hardy zones 2 through 8, height 14 to 18 inches tall, 16 inches tall. It's another Darwin Hybrid, Hakun. 7 bulbs for $8.50. Classic beautiful white. Hardy zones 2 through 8, height 20 to 24 inches tall. Next is a little bit more of exotic look, Exotic Emperor. You get 7 bulbs for $8.50. These are much smaller bulbs. Hardy zones 2 through 8, height 14 to 16 inches tall. Mount Hood, we've already talked about. Here's another Fritillaria. This is a Red Crown Imperial, 1 bulb for $8. Pretty. Hardy zones 3 through 10, height 36 to 40 inches tall. It's cool looking. Next we have snowdrops, and I have grown some snowdrops and really like them. I think they've been fun. This is 7 bulbs for $10.50. This is a very interesting look on these snowdrops. I love them because they're so little and easy to plant. This is Hardy zones 3 through 9. Height is only 4 to 6 inches tall, so very short and simple. Next is more snowdrops. We've got Ailanthus Ronsky. Hardy zones 3 through 9, height 6 to 8 inches tall. Snowdrops I grow are way taller. Next, another variety of tulips called El Nino. You get 7 bulbs for $8.50. Big bulbs. Hardy zones 2 through 8, height 20 to 24 inches tall. These next few are really pretty. This one is called Foxtrot. 7 bulbs for $8.50. Hardy zones 2 through 8, height 16 to 18 inches tall. Next is the double early tulips, Palmyra. This is a really pretty color. Gorgeous. Hardy 2 through 8, height 14 to 16 inches tall. And then last, Pretty Princess. 7 tulips for $8.50. Hardy zones 2 through 8, height 12 to 14 inches tall. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed that. They had a good selection. I thought their prices were a little high. But I know I'm spoiled because I get a lot of my bulbs from Costco, which are so much less expensive. But I thought they had a good selection, and so I think as long as you're not wanting to like fill your whole bed with a bunch of bulbs, I think going here and getting a few varieties to try is definitely worth it. All right, you all. As always, make sure you like and comment on the video. Every time you like and comment, it helps grow the video and my channel so much. And if you don't feel comfortable leaving a comment, just drop me an emoji below, letting me know that you made it to the end of the video and you say hi. And be sure to check me out on my Patreon page, my Patreon group. The link is in the video description below. It's all things She's Mad Gardener, all things gardening. I'm really enjoying it. I'm very much enjoying the lives, so I'm really excited about that. The lives are for my Bloom Buddies and my Sprout Squad groups. There's also a free tier that you can join in under as well. I hope you guys will go check that out. As always, she's a mad gardener or a decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.